Hello friends, I'm your FinXL, and in this video, I'm going to teach you the biggest life skill of your life. The most important life skill in self-improvement is personal finance, how to grow your own money. Personal finance is a life skill that helps you increase the value of the money sitting in your bank. In this video, I'll teach you just the basics of personal finance in simple words. The subject is huge, but no matter your age, you should learn at least a little about it. It's something you don't learn in school or college, but you absolutely should know it. Tip number 1. Savings account is not enough. In school, we learn about simple and compound interest. Teachers tell us that if we keep money in a savings account, it will grow every year. Yes, that's true, but a savings account is just the basic level. Why? Because of inflation. Inflation means prices of things increase and the value of money decreases. For example, today, $10 might buy you a packet of chips. 10 years later, that same packet might cost $20. As the economy grows, prices rise. So the $100,000 you save today will not have the same value after 5 or 10 years. Yes, banks give interest, but the growth is very small compared to other financial options available today. Think of your money like a tree. In a savings account, it grows slowly, but with the right financial options, it grows faster, like adding fertilizer to a tree. Tip number 2. Passive income sources. There are two types of income. Active income means you work for money, like a doctor, trainer, or business person. You give your time and you get paid. Passive income means money comes to you even when you're sitting at home. Your life mission should be to increase passive income sources so you can earn without constantly working. Rich people are rich because they manage money well and have passive income sources. This gives them financial freedom, freedom from depending only on active work. Your goal should be to achieve financial freedom by your mid-30s. In your 20s, focus on active income. Work hard, grow your job or business. Once you earn, divide your income into expenses, monthly costs, savings, money left after expenses, and investments, money used to grow wealth. Keep expenses minimum in your 20s. Increase savings. Invest most of your savings to multiply money. Tip number 3. Assets versus liabilities. Everything you buy falls into two categories: liabilities, things that lose value over time, and assets, things that increase in value over time. Focus on buying more assets and fewer liabilities. The more assets you own, the better your future will be. Earlier generations believed only real estate was a safe asset. Yes, property can be good, but today you also have many other options like shares, government bonds, bank bonds, fixed deposits, SIPs, and mutual funds. These are paper assets that can grow your money, though they also involve risk. If you didn't understand something, rewind and watch again. Personal finance is a very important life skill. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. This is not just knowledge, it's a life skill many people never learn. Until next time, guys, love you all.